Alright, for video 8.6 part C, we're going to need this drawing, and we're going to need the corresponding distances that go with it, and I will have to type that up for me. Alright, now that we have this information, I have a challenge for you. I want you to find the shortest distance that goes from point A and goes through all points B, C, and D in any order. I want you to find the shortest distance to make that happen. Give me a second and I will type that up. Alright, 5th graders, here's your challenge. Find the shortest path, okay, beginning and ending at point A, which passes through points B, C, and D in any order. What's the shortest path going to be? Okay, if I go blue, 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 whatever, you have to figure that out. Okay, so I want you to pause the video and I want you to think about this. So start at A. You have to go through each one of these paths, these points, and then it's got to go back to A. What is the shortest distance that you can do? What is it? Blue, 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 blue. It can go in any order, but you must make sure that you start at A and you go through each one of these points. Okay? So what I'd like you to do is you're going to need two things. When you're done, you're going to know length of path, and then you need to tell me, you need to say what is the path. Okay? So you're going to go from A to D, D to C, C to B, whatever it might be. So why don't you take some time and work on that? When you're done, restart the video and check and see how you did. Alright, 5th graders, hopefully you figured and determined a path. The shortest distance that I can figure out that it would take would be 55 miles. Okay? And the path that I would take would be A to C, C to B, B to D, and then D to A. Okay? That's what I would take. That's the shortest distance. If you found something shorter, please tell me. I want to know. If you found and yours was longer, then figure out what you did wrong. Okay? And your final two parts for today's lesson are the following. Okay? We're going to go here. We're going to make two drawings here. Okay? We're going to label this one F. We're going to label this one T. Oops, that's F again. I can't. F, T, Q, and W. And then we're going to, right here, we're going to go loop, 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 loop. And this one we're going to go L, M, G, N, and H. Okay? And we're going to circle this one in blue because that's where we'll start. And we're going to circle this one in F because that's where you start. And your job, ladies and gentlemen, is that you are going to connect all of these dots. So in this one, you're going to make a shape that connects F, T, Q, W without lifting up your pencil and without crossing over your own line. So I can't go, let's say I'm looking at this right here. I can't go whoop and then start up here, whoop, whoop. I can't do that. And I also, let's say I'm doing this, this, and this. I can't go whoop, whoop, whoop. I can't cross over my line. Now I can cross diagonally or whatever it might be, but like that, but I can't go over my line already made. So you have to connect these lines. This is just a little challenge for you before you get your homework, without going over your line or without repeating your line or lifting your pencil, okay, cross over a path, or retrace it, okay? So that's your challenge for today. That's the end of today's lesson. To get your homework, you have to show me how you did it, okay? So not only do you have to solve it, but you have to write it down, so when you come get your homework, you can show me how you did both of those. All right, so good luck. I thought this was a nice little challenge for you, and hopefully it goes well. Oh, and there's also the other challenge from video 2. So good luck, 5th graders, and I hope to see some fabulous answers. All right.